guys, it is Rob-Plays Minecraft back again here with not Minecraft. This is Flappy Bird. Even though my channel is based on Minecraft, but I'm just doing this, since Kevin put up a comment saying also do other videos. Come on! What's wrong with me today? Anything wrong? No! Okay. Let's just keep on jumping and jumping. Jump, 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 da jump, jump, da jump, 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 da jump, 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 da jump. 2 hours later. Jump, da jump, 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 da jump, 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 jump. Damn. Jump, da jump, 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 da jump, 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 jump. Jump, da jump, 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 da jump, jump, jump. Okay, now. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and bye.